Now that I'm ready to carve my block of wood, I'm going to start talking about how to hold and use the carving tools. Now, it's important to think of it as that since here is where your U of your U-gouge is, and that you want to carve along the surface of the wood at the angle that's going to use your U-gouge in the best way, you're going to be keeping your carving tool almost parallel with your block of wood. As opposed to if you're holding it like a pencil and you start to carve, you're going to have a very difficult time getting the flexibility and the ease of carving that you need. So it is very important to keep your carve tool low and close to the block of wood as you're carving. It takes a little bit of time to get used to holding the tool in this way. There's also, these particular tools are actually created so that they can be held between your thumb and your index finger, like so, and using the other finger to help guide the tool. This is another way that you can use this tool that gives you a little bit more control, particularly if you're new to carving, by using this hand to guide the tool. Now, wood has a personality of its own. And that is definitely going to be something that you're going to have to take into account as you're carving it. I had a teacher once tell me that it is a collaboration between you and the wood. The wood has grain, the wood has resistance, and therefore, as you're carving, and you'll learn to get a feel for what that piece of wood is, and every piece of wood does have differences to it that will allow you to carve in certain ways more easily than others.